Hello, what's up you guys, it's David. Today I've got the key to the new Opel Astra. We will have a look at the exterior, the interior and some new amazing features, like for example the new massage seats, the new infotainment interface, the new headlight design and many more things. Now let's have a look. The new Opel Astra got a major upgrade. The exterior has been redesigned. We have a more sporty, aggressive looking car than the previous model. We've got an upgraded interior with modern technology and comfort functions. I believe that this is one of the best cars that Opel has ever produced. Now the front of the car has been completely changed. We've got a more aggressive looking snout with of course the new headlight design. The lower part and the upper part of the bumper is finished in gloss black, as the same for the logo. Now this model is a plug-in version, so it means you can drive up to 66 kilometers pure electric with it. The back of the car is also completely changed. We got a new design for the rear lights, which of course is full LED. The same gloss black finish at the lower part of the bumper. And again, as the same as the front, the logo and the car model is again finished in black. Now to open the trunk, you can do that by pressing the button on your key or by simply pressing the logo upwards. We've got a cable to charge up the car. The button for the electric window, a small cup holder, we've got an armrest with two cup holders, and also heated seats for at the back. Now the interior is finished in black leather with some white stitching on it. Of course they're fully electric with memory function. The doors are finished in a different way, so we got Alcantara, some carbon looking detail and a grayish panel. The same goes for the dashboard. Now as usual we got of course the buttons for our window control and the mirrors. We've got a redesigned steering wheel. It's very futuristic. It's also pretty small, to be honest. On the left side we got the lights, and on the right side we got the wipers for the car. Let's start it up. Alright, so we've got an armrest with some storage room inside. Again, a small storage room for your keys or some perhaps some small change. Electronic handbrake, and again 2 cup holders, so you can also close it if you want it to be a bit more neat. We've got the different driving modes, so we got electric, we've got sport, and we've got hybrid. The automatic, we got POV park, neutral, drive, and also reverse. Then under the automatic we also got this function here. So whenever you activate this, the car will go in regeneration mode. So whenever you're driving and you let the gas pedal loose, the car will start slowing down, basically braking by its own. So it will charge up the battery of the car, so you can drive more in the electric function. We've got the possibility to charge up the phone wirelessly with some different connections, USB port and 12V port. As usual, you can close it to be more neat. We've got an extra storage room right here. I think it's just enough to put your glasses, perhaps sunglasses. We've got the 4 indicators, and above that we got the control function for the climate control. Now, one of the most important upgrades of the new Opel Astra is its redesigned cluster and infotainment system. Now, the infotainment system is of course fully touchscreen. You have a couple of buttons presentable on your screen. So let's start on the left side. Basically, those are the buttons in regards to the ventilated seats, the heated seats, and the heated steering wheel, which for some reason doesn't want to activate. Okay, and the same goes for the right side, of course. Now our big screen has some couple of functions. So let's go basically to the first function. We swipe with our finger and we can see some different widgets. You have on the left side the air conditioning, on the middle side some information about the hybrid modes, and also on the right side just a shortcut to the radio. But let's open the applications, and voila. So we got ADAS. What it's ADAS? So basically it means everything regarding to some safety features. As you can see, you can adjust some things. For example, the rear cross traffic alert system, some different assistances like the lane keep assist, the automatic braking system, the traction control, and so on. Then we got our climate control. We can adjust the dates and some information regarding the energy. We've got our media, mirror screen, and of course navigation. So let's open this. Okay. Now, perhaps one of the most amazing features that you have with this car is a seat option. So let's open this. Et voila. So we have the possibility to activate massage function. Amazing, right? So let's start it. You can choose the different settings. So if you want, for example, in snake modes, or from side to side, or even butterfly, but as you can see, you have like different kind of settings. You can also choose how hard the massage can be. So you have three possibilities. Of course, 3 means the most extensive version of the massage. And the same goes for the passenger side. So again, when you activate it, you can choose whatever you want. You can even see the seat moving up and down. Now the last application is the settings. So basically what you can do here is adjust some things regarding to your own personal preferences. For example, you can adjust the brightness of the car, you can adjust the audio system, so the music system, but also, for example, let's say the customization, you can change the different screen colors. So purple, red, this is nice. Orange, that's not my favorites. I think I like purple or red, maybe also blue. Hey Opel, activate climate control.
I found 5 results. The first one is climate control.
Yeah, so as you can see, he just points up some locations. So it doesn't really do commands, it basically just activates the navigation system, so you have to choose where it has to go. So no, that's not what we want, so let's go back. Never mind. Then again, the cluster. So we've got an upgraded cluster, we've got the horn in the middle, we've got on the left side everything regarding the lights of the car, and on the right side the wipers. Now as you can see, the water comes directly out of the wipers, so it doesn't spray from the front, it's basically coming out directly from the wipers. This is also very amazing, very cool. We've got 2 handles for the driving mode, so whenever you put it in sport mode, you can just change the gears with those 2 pedals, and of course on the left side of the steering wheel you got everything regarding for example the adaptive cruise control system, the car limiter, so you can adjust it all on the left side, and on the right side you've got the adjustment for the infotainment system, so you can adjust the radio volume, you can change the post, you can also directly push this button to answer phone calls, or to make the car go to the car infotainment telephone system. Then on the upper side of the car we have got some buttons also. So basically the first button is the concierge service of Opel. So whenever you press this button, the car will call somebody of Opel, where you can answer whatever you want, even the most stupid questions, they will help you with it. You've got the SOS button, so whenever you're in emergency, and the lights, they're of course fully LED, interior lights. And this car is also equipped with an open roof. Alright, let's take it for a quick spin. Okay, let's put the car in sport mode, 0 to 100, let's go.